My name is Hamdi Mohamed, and I'm running to be your next Port of Seattle Commissioner. The voting has started, and I want to thank all of you who've supported me on this journey. I've had the honor of sharing my story with so many people. I've earned the endorsements of labor, elected leaders, and every environmental and democratic organization that has endorsed in this race. I know firsthand that working families and small businesses must be protected. As the first Seattle Port Commissioner from South King County, I will do just that. Support local businesses, create living wage jobs, and protect our environment. That's what our community needs and deserves. I've worked hard to share my story with all of you to earn your support. Now it's up to you. My name is Hamdi Mohamed, and I'm asking for your vote so we can keep this journey going.
Paid for by Friends of Hamdi.